we're back. Okay. Anyway, hi. I forgot how to do this. Kalimutan ko sa itong greeting na ko before. Jesus. Hi. Welcome back. It's been a while since nag-storya ta. Kano sa itong last? I think 2022? Anyway, yeah, a lot has happened since then. You may be wondering na nung wala ko nag-update. Let's just do a recap muna sa what happened between that day and to now. Not to now. To graduation. Because yes, your boy has graduated law school. Anyway, after atong nag-film ko atong video, life kept going, third year, and then I did make some videos, I did record some, pero wala na ako mag-edit because I was depressed. Yeah, it was third year, second sem. So yeah, it was 2022. After third year, second sem, of course, summer, and then I think ako'y nabagsak, I don't know, I forget what happened that long ago na. But anyway, fourth year came. Whoosh. Review na natin. Review subjects na lang ang fourth year. Kung sa'yo nahitabo ato. Normal review, I liked all the teachers. Okay man sila tanan, as far as I can remember. And it was also during that time that I had a boyfriend. Anyway, yeah. I had a boyfriend. We were together for like 2 months. And then it was over. Di na ako mag-disclose of other details or whatever, but after that, I was depressed. I mean, fourth year, first sem, wala dyan ko'y bagsak na subject. Literally, tanan, pasa. And then we broke up around November of 2022. And then 2023 came and fourth year, second sem na. And I failed 3 subjects. Yeah, 3 subjects. Dili na ko mag-discuss og details sa mga law school shenanigans atong fourth year, second sem na ko. But let's just say nga basically naami isa ka subject nga kanang duha ra nakapasa sa tibuok room. Kay gibagsak niya tanan because I don't know, she was feeling quirky, I guess. She was feeling a little silly. Whatever. Asa na to siya? Asa na karon attorney? I hope you're doing well. I hope wala ka pamagsak. I hope kataro na kagtulo. See? Grabe among pangapa ato nga teacher. Like, but yeah. Na halos nabagsak ni halos tanan. Pero narimedyohan ra pod, I mean, ang summer, gitake na mo, tutanan, kami tanan subjects. And akong ubang ka-batchmates, they went on to take the bar. But I got left behind. Tulo ka subject akong nabagsak. So, of course, I wasn't graduating. Kasi I had to retake some of those. Di na ako sila matake tanan during the summer. Because ang uban sa ila kay mga tag-as nag-units. Kaya may mga classmates ako bar na sila, and then di pa sana po sila, congrats to them, yay! And then it was also during that time nga kanang gihuman na ako akong thesis. The summer after fourth year, second sem, gihuman na akong thesis, final defense na ko, whatever. Basta okay na ang thesis, guys, okay na jud. I finished it, and let's just not talk about it ever again. Like thesis, you're done. Pamoto siya, nag-summer, and then ang ako mga nabagsak na subjects is fourth year, second sem. So, ako mga kailangan i-take usab, second sem pa po. In 2023, or like the second half of 2023, I was doing nothing. Like, wala dyan ko'y gibuhat, because, wala mo ko'y ma-take na subjects sa first sem. So, I had to, like, nag-take dyan ko break in a way, which, honestly, I think I needed kay Murad. Jaded na dyan kay ko atong apart, and I was also depressed because I was heartbroken. Charot. Ew. Drama. Artista. Mako na sa teleserye. Ma-depressed tungod sa gibulag ag uyab. It's not the vibe, It's not for me. So, di na ta mag-usab, char. Anyway, 2023, yeah, wala ko'y gibuhat. And I was like, try na ako revisit ako mga dating hobbies. And I also found some new hobbies. It was during this time na I got into Dungeons and Dragons. Actually, I was into Dungeons and Dragons like before pa. Sa, I think around 2020 or 2021, like nagka-interest ako sa Dungeons and Dragons. And then I found out in 2023 nga na ay local community sa Davao of like players, Dungeons and Dragons players and Dungeon Masters. So, nag-appeal ko and, I had a lot of fun, Oh my god, I love D&D. Yeah, I played a lot of D&D and I'm still playing now, which is concerning considering na, na-review ko para sa bar. But anyway, 2023, it was also this time that I also had another boyfriend. September. Almost 1 year. No, let's not talk about that. Nagka-boyfriend ko. And it was going well for like the first few months. Pero after New Year, kay like off na. Di na siya ga-istorya. So I broke it off with him in February of 2024. Speaking of 2024, yes, enroll na ko balik sa USEP for my final subject, which is Civ Law Review 2. Civ Law Review 2. Kapasa man sad, yes, napasa jud siya. Finally, and here I am now. No, not here I am now. Basically, I already graduated, like, yay, graduate na. Juris Doctor. So yes, doctor na pud ko of jurisprudence, not medicine. So don't be looking at me to resuscitate a person, Kanang like, oh my gosh, is there a doctor here? Me, I'm a doctor of jurisprudence. So, oh my god, doon na siya ginhawa ang say buhaton. Duralex, Sedlex. Whatever. So, mo to siya. Graduation. And then, of course, after graduation, nagsugod na ang review. Ugh. During my whole review, naradyo ko stagong. Like, digaadto ko Davao, like, every other week for my, like, semi-weekly D&D game. Because I'm in a regular group now. I mean, dagang ko na studyhan. I studied as much as I could without, like, compromising mental health. Kay, according lagi sa mga attorneys and mga baristas na mo before, kay, kung di na jud daw kaya, tulog na jud daw. Pahulay na kung di na kaya. Kay, if pukso ni mong self, wala na masulod sa mo. And that's what I did. Ako na mugos akong self, like, just studied as much as I could for that day. I did that for 2 months. Grabe ang review process because every day, like, magsigira jud kag basa. Like, what do you lain? Like right now, it's 2 days after the last day of the bar exams. And I don't know what to do with myself. Before kay, magsigog, okay, nga din nga oras. Sige, magbasa na ta until this time. And then, mag-prepare ko dinner, prepare ko lunch, or whatever. And then, after, mag-study na po. Then, it was like that for 2 months. And now, wala na ko kailangan studyhan, so it feels weird. Like, wako ka balon sa buhaton. Anyway, during the bar review, like, grabe jud siya kapoy. Like, repetitive kaayo ang everyday, nga more routine na kaayo. Like, my life for those 2 months was just filled with books and matcha latte. Mao lang jud. Siyo coffee shop, gasto kaayo, or if dili kayo, pud gasto, narako diri sa balay. Anyone would have gone crazy. I would have gone crazy. Like 2 months of just books and matcha latte, I would have gone crazy if I weren't already mentally ill. So, I think that's a plus. I don't know. So yeah, 2 months straight, nag-review ko diri sa Tago. And then the week before the bar, gibalhin ako sa Davao. Dito na ko. Pre-week, Davao na ko. I met up with friends, like mag-study out me, and sabay may mag-study. Yeah, I was feeling like medyo anxious, of course, kay, bar exam na. So nervous ko like pre-week, like the week before bar. And then, the bar exam itself. First day sa bar exams, I woke up at 2 a.m. Gihatagan mi og email kami tanan barista, kami tanan mga bar takers nga ani mo nga time mo sulod. And akong last name is letter B, alphabetical man. Ang last name is letter B. So apil ko sa batch nga pinakasayo, which is dapat musulod na daw 4 to 5 a.m. And me being a masunurin, of course niya doon ako sa venue, wala pa 4. So alas 2 ni bangon ko, ligo ana whatever. And then 3 o'clock nagkaon ko sa McDo, and then 3:30 dito na ako sa venue. I didn't know nga naa di ay food dito sa venue. Nagasto-gasto pa kog breakfast nga naa man di ay. So I was like, okay, mag-avail na lang ko ani next time, you know, like on the second day. So yun, first day. During the first day, for some reason kanang wala na ko gikulbaan kay murag dawat na nako ang it's not like di nako like dawat na nako ang whatever result. Like of course I wanna pass, you know. Who wants to fail the bar? The fuck? Basta katong first day, ang ma-remember na ako nga ma-feel na ko is I'm here to do one job, which is to take the bar exam. Mura na akong buhaton. So like, you know, mura akong robot nga mura ni ang imong directive karon nga adlaw. Take lang og bar. And that's what I did, you know? So like, medyo nawala-wala gamay ang kakulba. So I wasn't shaking ana, pero like, naagod gyapon ang murag, you know, kamay anxiety nga, oh my God, bar exam na jud. Oh my God, mo ni ang imong prepare for 2 months. Let's see if makaya ang bar sa imong mga gistadihan for 2 months. Anyway, sa moto, first subject sa bar is political law. I have to tell you, wala na ko remember sa akong mga answers sa political law. Like, atong time nga nag-take ko og poly kay katugon na kaayo ko. Like, nag-take ko, of course, laptop na so I was like, answering, whatever. Like, every time magbasa ko kay murag mo na jud. Like, katugon jud kaayo ko. And then second, commercial law and taxation law. I don't know what to feel. But this is going to be a trend. Like, from the first day to the last day, every time mahuman ko og exam, I never felt confident. Pero di mo ko sure nga kanang murag, oh my God, sure, bagsak na jud to. Pero ako kay ngun nga, oh my God, sure pass to, you know? I always felt, like after akong human sa exam, like kanang mugawas na, I was like, I don't know how I did. Like, wako ka balon sa result. Like, I don't know. I don't know, jud. Anyway, so mo to, nahuman ang first day, napoy libre dinner dito sa among headquarters. You know, shout out sa bar operations namo. Thank you all so much. Like, gipasayon gid ninyo among life as, you know, sa mga barista. Like, thank you gid kaayo and we appreciate all your efforts. So, Sunday ang first day sa bar exam. So, Monday and Tuesday, walay exam, you know, kay Wednesday pa ang next. So, Monday ug Tuesday, akong gibuhat, nag-study lang, you know, last-minute tips, naminog mga recordings, gikan sa review center. Basically, I did the same thing that I did, like, during my whole review, which is like, magbasa lang as much as you can, And then, Wednesday, civil law and labor law. Muna sila ang subjects sa second day. When I tell you, lisod kaayo ang second day, especially ang labor law. What should ko like, I don't know kung unsang tama ba sila kung mga gipangyayog. Like, nagkos-mekos na lang ko dito. Like, I had no idea. But you know, I guess moment na ang point sa bar is tanaw lang jud kung how you argue, diba? I mean, of course, na may ubang mga questions jud nga kanang, you know, na answer. I mean, sila tanan na may answer jud da. But like, maybe, you know, nakakoy gamay points for, you know, explaining ngayon, for arguing like this. Unta lang jud. I wanna pass, okay? After Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, wala po na exam. So, Sunday na po ang next nga bar exam day. Bar day. I don't know. So, last day is criminal law and remedial law. And it's not as hard as the second day, pero lisod gyapon. It was all hard. Like, lisod sila tanan. So, you know, whatever. So, like, I really don't know how to explain it except nga kanang naglisod jud ko. You know, it's 2 days after the bar exam, after like the third day, and you know, ako nang gina-delete ang everything sa akong utok, you know. Recycle bin, na sila dito. I don't know what to think na about sa bar exam. Like, I try not to think about it because ang result, ingon nila, January pa mo abot ang results. Like, are you kidding? Like, ipa-Christmas o ipa-New Year, mininyo nga, nay, ingani nga dala. Like, please, i-December na lang. Are you kidding? And also, like, medyo na sad po ko during, like, the bar exam because sa among room, every room murag na ay 20 ka buok nga seats, you know? And na ay isa ka person jud nga assigned to a seat, you know? And sa among room na ay 6 nga wala. Like, sa first day pa lang, wala na sila. So, I was like, kasayang, you know, because 12,800 good ang application fee sa bar. And like, walang sila ka-attend. So, it's kind of sad. Pero, you know, we don't judge. Maybe they had something else going on sa ilahang life. Di na tayo mag-judge, you know. Anyway, moto na, humana ang bar. And, you know, celebration na, oh my God. After sa bar exam, like, after sa last day, ikapoy jud ko. Like, gutom kaayo. After sa bar, nidiretso ko sa among headquarters, nagkaon kog dinner. And then, nag-order kog matcha latte. Again, you know, as an homage sa drink nga nagpa-survive sa ako for the entire bar review, matcha latte. After we nag-dinner dito, kay murag na ay salubong, you know, murag some kind of dinner para sa mga bartakers, murag isa ka program. So, nagbalik mi sa USEP, kay, you know, Ateneo man ang venue sa bar exam. And then, nabalik mi sa USEP para sa celebration. And then, I had a second dinner dito sa USEP, kay gutom jud ko. Then, wala man ko'y kailangan buhaton Sunday night. So, nag-invite akong mga batchmates before nga attorney na karon, you know. Yan, nag-invite sila and then chika-chika mi dito, you know, sipping cocktails while spilling tea, you know, ana nga vibe. You know, it was a nice murag cool down, you know, after sa pagka-hectic sa bar. And then, you know, niulit ko, gihatod ko, thank you kayo. And then, I slept. And then, I woke up on Monday and like, naghipos na ko sa mga gamit na ko dito sa apartment. And then, niulit ko tagong. Pag uli na ko tagong kay murag yapon, same old shit, you know, murag expect mo sila nga ako manghugas, ako magluto. Like, maybe this is just like, I don't know if this is like the diva in me or whatever, pero like, I'm kind of pissed. Like, wala mo anything. Like, wala lang man mo ng libre, you know, after ko nag-bar. Anyway, a full day after sa bar exam, last night, because today's Tuesday, you know, last night, Monday night, I just cried. Like, a full 24 hours after nahuman ang bar exam, I cried. Like, full sobbing. Like, murag nag-catch up ata ang panang stress sa 2 months and like, ang stress sa bar exams. Hila ko gabi It's so dramatic. God, ew. Kasi maghilak-hilak, uy, the fuck? Who does that? No one. Literally no one cries. Ew. Now it's today, Tuesday na. And, you know, I'm just trying to find stuff to do. Because, di ba ko gusto like kanang magtrabaho judayon, like, come on, let's take a break. Like, pahuway sa tagamay, you know? Wala na ko kailangang buhaton, so I guess I have more time to actually sit and record and edit videos. So, yeah, that's why I'm here. Wala na siya ang catch up sa akong life. Char. Mura jug na higatanaw pa. So, you know, magulat pa until January sa results. You know, I really hope that I pass. But we won't know until i-announce nila. So, waiting game na lang, you know. Muman daw ni ang pinakalisod nga part daw sa entire law school nga career nimo is ang maghulat sa results. So, yeah, let's wait. So, mga nang ginabuhat ron, hulat-hulat lang, and then gawas man jud ang mga self-doubt kanang, oh my God, di ka mo pasa. Oh my God, di ka mo pasa. Yeah. So, I'm trying to distract myself from that kind of thinking lang, diba? Kay that's not healthy. Because, you know, what if you pass? Diba? Besides, you know, it's out of my hands na. You know, human akong bar, na-submit na ang exam. Depende na sa examiner if like makapasa ko or dili. Also, just a disclaimer. I think if mupasa ko, I'm going to be deleting all videos on my channel. Because this, like, tanan ako mga rants before, like sa mga teachers, mga professors na ako, that is not proper behavior, you know, for a lawyer. Puhon. Because, you know, Canon 2 of the Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability, you know, Canon 2 Propriety, no, dili ni pwede ako magipangbuhat dere. You know, basi pakasuhan kog libel. So, yeah, I think I might be deleting. And then, if mapasa ko as a lawyer, I think, ang buhat lang ako kay kanagong mga lawyers na kanang upload sila mga videos nila sa YouTube explaining some concepts, yung maybe I'll do that, you know? I think I'm a good teacher. I guess maora to. And, you know, I'll see you guys whenever. Bye!